when we are talking about site development, we are talking about optimized site development. Now, when we add the word optimized, we get into many steps as to, of course, optimizing your website. As far as we're concerned, the first step is assessing your competition. Now, when you go out and do your assessment on the competition, you end up with a good bit of an information, valuable information, as to your competitors and your industry as far as internet is concerned. Now, from this analysis, you will know where your competitors are getting their links from, and where most of their traffic is coming from, what keywords they are focusing on, and what percentage of their links are do follow or no follow, and many more. And of course, the most valuable information you get out of this is the keywords that your competitors are using. Now, when you have that information, next step would be the marketing goals. You set your marketing goals with respect to what your competitors are doing and how your industry is set up as far as the internet is concerned. This may not sound like an SEO issue, but at the end, this once you make a decision on this matter, you actually end up focused keywords that you should be using. In other words, you take the keywords that your competitors are using, and you look at what they are focusing on, and you look at your products and services, and you make a decision as to which products and services that you should be focusing and concentrating. Now, once you make this decision and how you're going to be focusing or concentrating on these products and services, you end up with the keywords that are related to these products and services. Now, taking all that, the keywords that you got from the first step, and the keywords that you may have related to your industry and your products and services, and next step would be the keyword research. Now, at the end of the keyword research, you end up with very focused and keywords which are much more viable for your own products, and of course will rank you higher in the search engines. Now, next step would be the site architecture. You know what products and services you will be focusing on. You know how you're going to market yourself because you already set your marketing goals. And as far as the site architecture is concerned, you decide such as what the landing pages would be, and you may have one page with all of your products and services, and then you have individual pages for individual products and services, of course focused on those specific keywords. This is how you determine the site architecture. Now, next step would be the site design and usability. Now, site design involves the things like the color scheme and the text or images or videos that you will be using, and where to put the logo, and how to brand yourself, and anything related to these matters. Once all this is finished, you move into the next step, which is optimized content development. You know your keywords. You know how you're going to design your website, and you know the site architecture. And once you start implementing all the keywords to your content, such as the text content, let's say, and you start having your website, as you can see, it's like a funnel effect. Everything is quite focused into every keyword that you're using and every page, and the color scheme, and in other words the design, everything comes together. Now, once this is all finished, you have your optimized content. It may be text, it may be images, it may be videos, and where do you know where to put those because you already decided the design of your website, and you already know what the architecture, the site architecture is going to look like. You will have a pretty much optimized website. But the site optimization doesn't end here. Now there are further factors that you need to implement as far as on-page SEO is concerned. This may be you need to be careful with your W3Cs and canonicals and internal linking, and you need to do your sitemap and many other things that the SEO factors that you need to consider and implement to your website. Now, once everything comes together, you started with analyzing your competitors, and you moved into marketing goals, and then you found your keywords, and you did your site architecture design, and you develop your content, optimize content, and then you put all the other factors into your site becomes an optimized, in other words, search engine friendly website. The whole idea is to have a very focused website so that you will become an authority, a credible source on the keywords or your products or services that you are offering.